Are you a business owner losing sleep over online reviews? What if an artificial intelligence could instantly reply to every customer with perfect tone, saving you hours of work while you focus on running your business? So here we are on the Reviewly.ai login page. So we're going to jump straight in. What we do, we put our email and our password in. And once we're logged in, it brings us right through to our Reviewly.ai dashboard. And the first thing I want you to notice is this central review feed right here. All of your Google reviews aggregated into one single place. No logging into Google, no jumping between tabs, no checking your phone every 5 minutes to see if a new review came in. Everything is right here in one command center, ready to manage. Once we are on here, you have your dashboard, you've got your contacts here, which we'll go through later on. We've got your feedback settings and all your alerts for when you get your feedbacks and your messages sent back to you. And then down here, your invitations, you can look through all of your reviews there with your snapshots. Now, let me give you a bit of context on what Reviewly.ai actually is, right? Because it's important to understand what you're looking at. This is a specialist SaaS platform built specifically for individual businesses and single locations. It's not a generic marketing tool. It's not a catch-all platform trying to do everything. It's a purpose built for one thing: managing and growing your online reputation on Google. And it does that by acting as your all-in-one command center. You connect your Google business profile once, and from that point forward, you never need to log in and out of Google again to manage your reviews. It's all done right here. Right then, so this right here is the feature that makes Reviewly.ai genuinely powerful. Most businesses that just wait for reviews to come in and hope for the best. Reviewly flips that completely. This is the SMS flow, and what it lets you do is proactively go out and get reviews automatically without lifting a finger after setup. You simply enter a customer's name and phone number, or if you've got a list of customers, you can upload them in the bulk, right? So I'll show you this right here. So what we'll do is we'll click that, but first we'll show you in your contacts. This is where all your contacts are stored. If you want to upload your contacts in bulk, you click here and you can upload all of your contacts in bulk. As you can see, we've got one contact here, and you're going to see another contact come into here when I demonstrate for you. So here, as we can see, what Reviewly does, it sends your contacts personalized SMS text messages that take them directly to your Google review page in one tap. That's it, right? One tap for the customer. And here's why SMS is the right channel for this, right? We're talking about a 97% open rate, not email, not a push notification, SMS, which means your messages, right? It's almost guaranteed to be seen. And when it's seen at the right moment, right after a great experience, that's when reviews actually get written. So what we do here, we'll pop the name in and you pop the phone number. But first, let me just show you. So when you come to your feedback settings, this is the message, which can be AI generated right here, which goes right to your contacts SMS. Hi, it's agent's name, your business name. We really value your feedback, and I'm reaching out to see how you rate your recent experience with us on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best. Now, once you've composed your message, right, we'll go back to the dashboard, or we'll go back to the contact here. We'll show you. There's the one contact that we have. Right now, we're going to go to send request, right, and I'm going to put name in, right, just say Tom. So we have Tom in there, and then we'll put the number. You must remember to put your reference code. Right, so as you can see from the top there, it's saying contact created successfully. As you can see down here, it's added only. Now, it takes a while for that message to be sent to you. It doesn't take too long. And then once it has sent, there we go. So on here, you can see it's sent. You click on here, on this number. And then you can see you've got the initial direction outgoing, send method SMS, and there is that message that I showed you in the feedback settings, which has been sent to your contacts. So there we go. I mean, that's great. So instead of hoping customers remember to leave a review 3 weeks later, you're reaching them while the experience is still fresh. That is the fact. On the other side of this, and this is where the local SEO impact comes in. It is responding to reviews. So we'll go to this review here, and we've got this review, and as you can see, what we have here is an AI generated keyword rich reply. Now, the other side of this, and this is where the local SEO impact comes in, right, is responding to reviews, because consistently responding to reviews does two things. First, it builds massive trust with anyone reading your profile. When a potential customer sees that a business responds to every single review, that signals professionalism, right? It signals that they care. But second, and this is the bit most business owners don't realize, Google actually rewards businesses that engage with their reviews. Fast keyword-rich replies tells Google that your business is active and engaged, and that directly influences where you show up in local search. More visibility means more foot traffic, more calls, more customers, and with Reviewly's AI generating those responses for you, personalized, keyword aware, on brand, you're getting all of that benefit without spending hours writing replies manually. And as you can see here, all of these reviews have that keyword reply. So to wrap this up quickly, Reviewly.ai saves business owners hours of manual work every single week. It automates the review collection. It automates the responses. It keeps your Google profile active and visible, and it makes sure your brand is always presented in the most professional and positive light possible. Whether you're a local business owner or you're managing reputation for clients, this is genuinely the easiest way to stay on top of it. The link to find out more is in the description. So there we are. Stop letting unmanaged feedback hurt your bottom line. Remember, click the link in the description. Don't forget to tap the like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe.